Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you about what different programming languages are used for. So Python is used for many things. It's used for just general programming, it's a great language for learning to program, and it's also used for other things such as back-end web development, desktop applications, game development, mobile app development, machine learning, AI, hacking, and a lot more. HTML and CSS. So these two go hand in hand. HTML is used for creating the basic layout of a web page and is used in all websites. CSS is used to style the web page and is used in about 99+% of websites. JavaScript is used for making web pages interactive, and you'll often find it used with HTML and CSS. It's used in about 95+% of websites, and it uses APIs and frameworks for additional functionality. PHP is used to make the back-end and server side of large-scale websites. SQL or SQL is used to make databases, and it's compatible with multiple languages and comes in multiple forms such as SQLite. Java is used for many things, including making Android apps and to make network and advanced web pages. C and C++ are two separate languages but are very similar. C++ is based on C but is more advanced, and they're both used to build operating systems and advanced desktop applications. C# is also a bit like C and C++, but quite different because it's used for completely different things, namely making just basic or advanced desktop applications. So that's what programming languages do. Thank you for watching.